Any letters of administration granted to the Administrator General in accordance with the provisions of this Act are revoked, the court may order the costs of obtaining such letters of administration, and the whole or any part of any fees which would otherwise have been payable under this act, together with the costs of the administrator general out of the estate, full stop, provided that nothing in this section shall affect the provisions of clause C or subsection 2 or section 11, full stop. If any letters of administration granted to the administrator general in accordance with the provisions of this act are revoked, the same shall, so far as the regards the Administrator General and all persons acting under his authority in pursuance thereof, be deemed to have been only voidable, except as to any act done by any such Administrator General or other person as aforesaid, after notice of a will or of any other fact which would render such letters void, provided that no notice of a will or of any other fact which would render any such letters void shall affect the administrator general or of any person acting under his authority in pursuance of such letters of administration, unless within the period of 1 month from the time of giving such notice, proceedings are commenced to prove the will, or to cause the letters to be revoked, and such proceedings are prosecuted without unreasonable delay, full stop. If any letters of administration granted to the administrator general in accordance with the provisions of this act are revoked, upon the grant of probate of a will, or upon the grant of letters of administration with a copy of the will annexed, all payments made or acts done by or under the authority of the administrator general in pursuance of such letters administration, lawfully granted to him with a copy of such will annexed, shall be deemed valid notwithstanding such revocation, full stop. Executive engineer, Multan has intimated that Mr. Asad shall stand retired from government service on attaining the age of superannuation, full stop. The Axion has requested to issue the retirement notification of applicant, full stop.